like lot of people. You see like background, lot of people, so like literally like more crowd than this. They are drinking malai. Okay. Amrendra Bahubali entry.
This police station, I think. Look, that police station. Look.
That is police station. Amrendra Bahubali police station. Some people say like, you both people very funny. Yeah. First time I saw the dog actually running. Hurry! No.
Let's मिलेगा। ये मैं आगे चौराहे तक जाऊँगा, वहाँ तक आपको छोड़ सकता हूँ।
Okay, ठीक है, छोड़ दे।
Thank you भैया।
Thank you.
One vehicle is coming.
The lift. running. Hi. Can you get lift? Anybody my subscriber from this area? They just can you got lift?
Where is going?
I'm going to Pushkar. My another Jesus.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. This vehicle then got lift easy.
Police.
Yeah, police. If you police, then they direct lift. Maybe police, then direct lift. You and me walking back to hostel. Many traveler, they how to feel like they understand, right?
Yeah.
Body very like I don't know how to I saying, I have no idea, but like a stomach and this wall and like suddenly on. Then I am like going many times washroom and also vomiting starting like. Today 30 May time 0010 without money entry policy traveling to all day 79. Then I am in like Pushkar. Pushkar, I by mistake I told it Pushkar. I am in like Ajmer Sharif Dargah. They are like there and me and he like roaming around just like see and like many things see and I did not told him all things like
Unseen place of India.
unseen place many things see and like and yeah like both back to Pushkar slowly.
Scam.
See, like you feel like lot of people. You see like background, lot of people, so like literally like more crowd and this all and finally I remove this like like I feel like good. Like finally I remove this like independent. Like because I am wearing short and like I feel not like
This is Indian.
I did not like but inside need like necessary and this like and like lot of crowd. That is my actually today vlog starting. Like you already like I told it, brother, like that is my today vlog I'm starting.
Yeah.
Like lot of crowd. You see like this side also like this type and like lot of crowded.
Yeah.
1.4 billion people.
Yeah. If we go down, they will stole our everything.
And so anyway, this crowd, like there, shelter. Like a raining starting suddenly. Like this, like Malay.
Yeah.
This. Like an outside actually raining starting.
अच्छा लग रहा है ये हलवा
They are drinking Malai. Good. And, good. And I'm showing one thing. Like, wait, can you side? Like, oh, this, like, Ajmer Sharif Dargah, and that is this. Like, and outside raining. I'm staying in Pushkar like more than 2 months already. 2 months? Yeah, already. Drink is done, like the lassi and this whole thing. And okay, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Bye. Like, yeah. And
एक फोटो लो ना एक फोटो लो ना
okay. My subscriber. Okay.
यूट्यूबर भाई
Okay.
কলকাতা मेरा गांव
हाँ?
হ্যাঁ
Yeah, আপনি বাংলাতে কথা বলতে পারেন?
আমি বাংলা কথা বলবো তো
Oh my god. বাংলাতে? ও
বাঙালি
বাঙালি। বাংলাতে কথা বলতে পারেন?
আমি বাংলা কথা তখন বলি যখন খুব বাঙালি মেহমান থাকে
হ্যাঁ।
তখন বাংলা কথা বলি এমনিতে আমার 24 ঘন্টাতে হিন্দি কথাই ছিল আমাদের বাংলা কথা আমার চলেই না। আমি ঘরে ফোন করি এটা আমার বউ এটা আমার বউ এটা আমার বিটি এটা আমার বেটা
দুই বাঙালি।
হ্যাঁ
আমি একে বলছিলাম যে এটা আপনার গেস্ট হাউস।
হ্যাঁ
I was thinking that Kapil Sharma show.
not a yeah, that is a guest house and like hostel guest house like family and this
खाना बनाता है यहाँ पे कोई टेंशन नहीं मतलब अपना घर के जैसे रहो
हाँ वैसे ही बिल्कुल झगड़ा चल रहा है तो मैं वहाँ बैठ के कपिल शर्मा शो देख रहे
यहाँ पे कोई टेंशन नहीं है 24 घंटे गेट खुला रहता है जब मर्जी आओ कोई नहीं रोकेगा
like he and me too much like আপনার অনেকটা বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল তাড়াতাড়ি করে এখানে ঢুকে গেছে
ऊपर से बस
like they out
बिल्कुल
oh my god hi like there one child coming again
then we can shoot her.
there actually one child coming again hey come they're coming and he and me both both sitting there actually like
That man came out of from there and go back outside that green shirt.
and also little rain right
Yeah.
but their touristic place is safe place
Yeah.
like no anything happening there lot of police this like you say like lot of police and all like then he and me to like say like lot of police there but in Pushkar nothing yes there Pushkar is by they protection me both like as a security something huh? Like a legendary vehicle Kerala also this
Kerala is vehicle for forest department. Boundary. You see like that from this is Pantanal.
this
Yeah. You can see out from inside. Look,
I feel like
part of a building.
I think Mughal time this
With this door, jail.
Amrendra Bahubali see this door like oh
He came out of Nepal. See this.
Amrendra Bahubali entry this
This police station, I think. Look. That police station.
This. That is police station. Amrendra Bahubali police station. Some people say like, you both people very funny. I'm like,
We used to target police only.
no, not target, like just joke. Oh my goodness. Sweet falling.
Really, this.
Like, you first of all eat. You eat it first, then I take it also. This like this. Nope.
Oh my god.
So sweet. Like this dog looking.
One vehicle is coming. Shall we give some hands for them?
Then lift, by lift traveling. Yes.
Yeah.
They stop. No. By lift. Like before I am coming in first day my Pushkar hai okay? Night 3-4 I am by lift in Pushkar. Exact kind of this time. This time I am going back to like this walking. Then this area something like Pushkar, Lake Sagar something. There I finding direct lift. The direct like my hostel. I am as well a lift traveler. I haven't know anything problem.
Yeah.
But yeah, one thing in Pushkar, one thing I really appreciate, they are finding water any corner.
Yes.
Drinking any corner, like
Any corner of the lakeside or one.
even I think
You can't even go by dry road.
in Pushkar any corner you finding drinking water. But there is very hard.
We'll take this one.
This music. Yeah, like this is a mountain, both take it, then mountain area like go. Then direct.
3 speakers. 1 speaker.
And it's like me and he talking another almost silent. Nobody. And my traveling time okay.
Yeah.
Many time I'm walking this type. Alone, literally alone. I'm walking this type like some people saying like many people saying like most of the you not afraid anything like you like totally nobody anything you just walking and just before I have a period but after that I'm traveling more like I am this time more than 50,000 kilometers traveling. Then this time is okay. Not afraid anything. Like there Ajmer, this Ajmer and this side after that like few kilometer mountain starting then cross mountain then Pushkar whole area like after just I feel like drinking water then that is temple and they are finding drinking water like literally and good literally good and their hand wash and drinking water. Yeah, first time I saw the dog actually running. Are no.
लिफ्ट मिलेगा भैया मैं आगे चौराहे तक जाऊंगा वहां तक आपको छोड़ सकता
Okay, ठीक है छोड़ दो.
Thank you, भैया.
Thank you. They got lift.
मैं घर जा रहा हूँ
हाँ.
कोई वहाँ पे रास्ते में
अच्छा, okay.
आप कहाँ से भाई
Kerala. He from Kerala. I am from West Bengal.
यहाँ पे मतलब जा रहे वो
Pushkar.
पैदल
Yeah, lift by lift. Paddle by lift. Night more than 3. Got first lift. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thanks. Yeah.
पुष्कर which route?
This. You forget also, but this
भैया सीधा है क्या? लिफ्ट मिलेगा?
lift
लिफ्ट
बिना पैसे के
लिफ्ट मिलेगा? सीधा है क्या? जाना कहाँ है?
आप जाना तो है पुष्कर में, आप बिना पैसे के छोड़ सकते हैं।
यार मैं जाऊंगा नहीं, मैं यूं आगे जाऊंगा, फाइव सागर रोड पे जाऊंगा यार भाई।
वहाँ तक ही छोड़ दीजिए। ओके, दैट इज सेकंड लिफ्ट।
थैंक यू।
ओके, सिट। बिना पैसे के। हाँ, चलिए। Like that is second lift, night time. And this type like 1, 2, 3, 400, 200. This time reach finally Pushkar hostel. They're like marriage, then both actually talking to like their married look. Okay, both going and just dancing and this. No distance, so they were like like I say, here I guess let's say 0 money, then go.
We can some AC. One vehicle is coming.
The lift.
That's houseful.
They see.
It's houseful. Another one. Italy is coming.
But their money is asking. I am 100% asking. Sure.
Like urban culture.
Yeah. Too good, like. And you see, like slowly back to Pushkar, and also vibe change and more peacefully, right?
Yeah.
More like even if you see like both back to Pushkar, okay, see, like road is more you feel like clean, more like peaceful, and more this type of vibe, and I like actually this type of vibe. Oh, there two. That is not house actually, colony, Mahabir colony. Coming like this mountain, then after that Pushkar starting, and also you see like drinking water also available. Street also vibe also change, peacefully like whole is change.
Yeah.
Like whole is change also is like this type of street like clean all well maintained. Yeah, this house you see like all is well maintained and like this type and I really like it this type. Literally both actually even my this tissue paper like literally both like hold this is tissue paper also. I holding this tissue paper and walking this. आज मैं दरगाह there to there walking but did not finding any dustbin. Then finally they are finding dustbin. Then put dustbin. In Kerala they are also very this type peaceful, right?
Yeah.
Like peaceful vibe.
Not everyone.
Not every. Oh, obviously every place. Some people is like just they like crazy type.
I think we can get fourth lift.
Or lift. Yeah.
What is coming? I can't see that. Only white color.
Oh, a little side. Because if you the
That was.
traveling life, right?
Yeah.
Like people is like young generation just traveling.
Yeah.
And like after 80, 90 year, this time you feel like, oh, I have too much money, anything. I have like too much anything, but this time your body did not support you. Like
Yeah.
after, yeah.
That.
This anybody they my subscriber from this area, like this surrounding this area, you just like comment it. Like oh my goodness. Rajasthan means like lot of like this type fort, like you see like literally this
Look that door.
looted door, like oh my god. running like hi. Can you get lift?
We are dropping and
लिफ्ट दे सकते हैं क्या?
कहाँ तक?
मैं तो मेरा हॉस्टल तो पुष्कर में है, लेकिन आप इधर जहाँ तक जाएंगे वहाँ तक
कहाँ जाएंगे?
पुष्कर।
नो पुष्कर
आप
नहीं
कहाँ तक यहाँ पर? थोड़ा सा
जस्ट बस के आगे
जस्ट बस का आगे दिस देन आप
यस
okay nice to meet you.
ओके
I'm tourist. Okay. There going just local. Yeah, this like there after like so sad. Oh, they also indicator. You see like the showing indicator. They're saying just I am there. Just yeah, they are like
He's a good person.
he is a very good person and very honest person. Like
Another Jesus.
another Jesus.
Yeah, true.
Like they literally saying true. I am thinking that maybe true or not, maybe true. But I saw that they're like literally inside, and that is very appreciate. And I really like it. This type of person, like honest and like I really like.
person.
Yeah, genuine person and the genuine stuff actually.
But this community everyone came to accept that reality between genuine.
Yeah, if you
All
all
used to go within fakeness. And
Yeah.
They manipulate in between.
if you all people this type, wonderful.
Oh, that's me.
This dog is normal.
Good boy.
Good boy.
10 marks.
You see, you have a 10 mark. Another see here.
I can't see.
I can't see actually. Oh, this, where? Eh?
God, little dog.
Huh?
Little dog.
Little one there.
And from here, he's having.
That is Annashagal Lake. You see?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one. Night more than 3, and that is Annashagal Lake.
You can get sunrise from there.
Yeah, you can sunrise there, you can sleep there, you have a like boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, you just enjoy peaceful moment, peaceful place, like just enjoy and just enjoy. Like anybody my subscriber from this area, they just comment it, okay? You see like this and oh, on. Can you got lift?
Where is going?
I am going to Pushkar, my hostel.
Okay.
Okay, like,
500 rupees
huh?
500 rupees.
No, I am saying without money.
Not.
Okay. No, no auto, I am without money, like बिना पैसे के.
Free lift.
फ्री लिफ्ट मिल सकता है क्या?
Which location?
जाऊंगा तो पुष्कर.
पुष्कर में कहाँ जाओगे?
वहाँ पर मेन बाजार है, वहाँ पर हॉस्टल है. मेन बाजार में हॉस्टल है. बिना पैसे के कर रहा हूँ.
बिना पैसे तो यहाँ पे पॉसिबल ही नहीं, आप बोले.
अरे मैं पूरा इंडिया घूम जाता हूँ बिना पैसे के. यहाँ तक आया हूँ बिना पैसे के. ठीक है तो नमस्ते, बाय बाय, धन्यवाद. ओके, अच्छा लगा. ओके, बाय बाय. ब्रो, go. You got another? No, he already full actually. The going here is blocked. Like he, this person,
Yeah.
like this person, he like going back to Ajmer. Then he's saying like, I am not going to Pushkar, but if you are going to Pushkar, I definitely got leave. Then I saying like, I am traveling almost whole of India. More than this time I have a 60,000 kilometer by lift and walk hitchhiking. I see any peoples, I understand that this person got lift or no. Then I see you, then I understand that if you go Pushkar, you definitely got lift 100%. But I understand, and they usually like they back to Ajmer. Then they say like, if you go to Ajmer this side, any area, I just drop it. Then I said no, I coming this
Why
way.
I want to go back?
Yeah, I'm coming there and just. Yeah. It's like this type, lot of people they stop and they try to lift, but they went another route. This guy they also try to lift, but they there and
I think from here you want to take right, no? Yes.
this vehicle then got lift easy.
Police.
Yeah, police. If you police, then they direct lift. Maybe police, then direct lift. No police anything. Because I have experience actually. Night time I am like try to lift. Police any vehicle they stop actually. Even if you they not possible their car lift, they try to like another car, another anything stop, then got lift. And I have a this type experience many times. They're sitting there and like I'm there and this is actually Pushkar and that is the Annasagar lake and this area, this type of light and this side actually Pushkar and sitting there, he actually sitting there, he's sitting there like this and night time lift is very hard and like just that is not possible. That is not full.
They don't stop.
Stop, but you this is no, I'm not stopped.
Jai
Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Jai Sitaram, and this time like Pushkar, this and this Nagar. Try to got lift without money. Okay. Okay, चले जाइए. When they saying like how much? They saying 300. Like, literally like because I'm tourist, you say 300. Matka water like say like this like Rajasthani, right?
Yeah.
In Kerala this Matka water or not? No, mostly no. West Bengal also no like. Let's see. Oh, this is Huh? Yeah. Yeah. What happened? Hey, that is Rajasthan government bus. I did not like capture my blog their number plate. Very like literally like you see like that is Rajasthan government truck and middle like night almost like first of all night 4 okay and that is Rajasthan government bus. Literally stop.
Incredible India.
Then after that like just go. 5 then many people like 5 time walking and this and but night time is lift very hard. Then both decide like maybe he sleep there maybe not. And I am sitting there and I'm starting like my yesterday blog editing like simple. Even if I go to my hostel there also I am same work. Like same working like and just editing and yeah you maybe sleep maybe yeah good night. And I am sitting there like and like first of all like good morning and drinking tea and biscuit and all like in night time where like location showing is like Oh, this like see like their hotel and this like Kerala people eat too much biscuit. I'm asking like because he eat biscuit and biscuit. I eat extreme level biscuit, but I eat Parle-G. And then I'm asking and today he actually sleep at 2-3 times. I just bro, woke up. Monday, woke up. He say he sleep that day. And try to live. But just come in road, then little bit stop. I mean, they are actually night time, and this place, and if you any subscriber from there, like just comment like. And that is traveling life even. no, they like that is traveling life, like both booking hostel, paying for hostel, but sleep outside.
Gujarat Hotel Center, look, we sleep
Gujarat.
No, Gaurav.
Gaurav, they actually sleep there. He sleep and I am sitting there and editing. And I think many traveler relate, right?
Yeah.
They're booking hotel, but they sleep footpath and outside and traveling and this like,
Between like,
yeah.
one bus is coming.
Like just sitting in bus and like this and see. That is Rajasthan government bus, right? And he and me face you see, like both feel like just going back to hostel and just laying bed and sleep. That is Anna Sagar Lake. Finally came to Pushkar. Like you and me walking back to hostel. Many traveler they how to feel like they understand, right?
Yeah.
Like they're like too much sleepy and this all, and many specifically traveler they understand how to feel like. Feel like
Tired itself.
there also I need bed just later.
Yeah.
They feel like this.
Wherever someone
Yeah,
put bed, we sleep there.
that's right.
That's what we are not sleeping there.
Yeah. Here you see, and also water bottle.
Oh, that keep with you. I brought it for you.
But I no need.
You just keep it.
Oh, okay. Like this chain. Like nice to meet you. And silly, like my hostel actually this side. He hostel like this. Like just like
For 50 meters.
30-second walking distance, like just, and yeah, like nice to meet you. Go and take the
Right,
sleep. I am also
We'll
sleep.
sleep and
Even you see, like I did not wash anything. Like third floor, their washing place also, their pipeline, they are also washing possible, but I feel like not washing anything, like anything. I'm just go and evening. I'm just woke up and showing this. You see, like my font of oh this is like a temple and this whole mountain and this wall, like their surrounding area all mountain and middle is Pushkar, and I go and take to shower and wash my clothes. I go that like vomiting and just like I eat non-veg after more than 3 years, then like too much, and I am totally fully explained after like ending time. Too much raining starting, feel like this, and I am not too much excited because my health not good, and like yeah, like and this like too much rain. This side all like This and that is actually common area, and yeah. Like this type of situation, like after see like this, like literally whole street and this like kind of feel like flat, and I'm walking this type. See this like like sharing whole experience like to like what happened. I sharing whole story. Okay, like more than 3 years. Then I eat like non-veg, like meat and like fish and this egg, all thing like. Then after that, like this time I eat. Okay, this time I feel like oh, it's like okay, not too much anything. I feel like even I am very conscious about. I feel like I think maybe before it I feel like maybe I starting vomiting anything, but this time I like it's okay. I feel like not anything. Okay, coming in hostel, I lay down, I sleep, woke up. This time slowly I feel like vomiting type, and also like body very like I don't know how to I saying. I have no idea, but like a stomach and this wall, and like suddenly on then I am like going many times washroom, and also vomiting starting like many. And even you see like I am talking, then you understand I am not too much any excited anything, and like even this time also like I feel like not good, my stomach continuously this time, and like body just I'm like I'm came in hostel, just like third floor there washroom, I just like again washroom, again vomiting like again, and bye, and see you tomorrow next vlog.